Hey friends, welcome back. Today I came up with a simple vegetable rice recipe which I am going to prepare in an electric rice cooker. For this I am taking whole basmati rice instead of a normal rice to get the good texture for vegetable rice. For this I am taking about two glasses of basmati rice with this glass. You can take according to your requirement. After taking the rice into the bowl, we need to wash it thoroughly with the warmer water for about 2 to 3 times. After washing it, fill the rice bowl with filtered water. For 2 glasses of water, I am taking 3 glasses of water. For 2 glasses of rice, I am taking 3 glasses of water to get the fluffy texture for the rice. Because if you put more water, the rice the rice texture will be spoiled. So we need to put some less water when compared to a normal rice. Here I am taking 3 glasses of water and soak it for about half an hour. Keep it aside and you can chop the veggies required. For the vegetable rice today, I had chopped one whole big onion with some green chilies, one finely chopped carrot, some green peas which are soaked prior, 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil, French beans, and one large tomato finely chopped. Along with that, I had taken cashew and few spices, shaljeera, bay leaf, and also the cinnamon, cloves. So let's get into the procedure of making the rice vegetable. Take a large pan, heat it well, and now in addition to the oil, I am also adding some ghee, about 1 tablespoon of ghee, which adds a good taste for the vegetable rice. Now add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil along with the ghee. Let the oil get heated for some time. Once the oil get heated, you can add the whole spices, the bay leaf, shaljeera, and also the cloves. Stir it well and let the masala get heated. Will get a great aroma once they are fried. Stir it well, and now you can start adding the veggies. You can add aloo also, aloo, mushrooms, paneer, anything. Firstly, I am adding the finely chopped onions, green chili to the heated oil. Now stir it well till the onions turned into golden brown color. Chilies you can add according to your requirement. If you need more spicy, you can add more chilies. Once the onions turns into golden brown, you can add the cashews. Cashews also add a great flavor to jeera rice, vegetable rice, anything. So once they are cooked, we can start adding the veggies which are chopped finely. Let it cook for about 2 minutes. So my onions are done. Now I'm adding all the vegetables: tomato, carrot, French beans, green peas. You can soak it for about 15 minutes prior to the preparation. You can also add paneer, mushrooms, any veggies of your like. Pudina also adds a great flavor. Now all the veggies are added to the pan. So stir it well. Let them cook properly for about 5 minutes. We need to add some salt for cooking the vegetables. I am adding about 2 tablespoons of salt so that all the veggies are cooked well. You don't need to add salt to the rice because I am adding the complete salt over here, which will be sufficient for all the rice. I mean the complete vegetable rice. So let it cook. By adding the salt, vegetables are cooked properly. By the time we can prepare the rice cooker by adding some water and transfer the soaked rice bowl into the rice cooker. I'm not adding the rice directly to the rice cooker bowl because it might burn sometimes. So I'm adding a separate bowl. My veggies are almost done. They're cooked well, almost 70% cooked. So now you can transfer the whole content of veggies into the rice cooker bowl. That means the soaked rice. I transferred the complete content into this. So now give it a great stir so that it is mixed up well. On top of it you can add some ghee, color, food color, anything. So I am putting the lid, switch on, take it to a cooking mode. Then the rice starts boiling. The process might complete in 30 to 40 minutes. So my rice is done, vegetable rice is done. It turned out this way. It looks so yummy and the rice is also so fluffy. The texture is also good. You can enjoy the hot rice with any of your curry, any of your taste, some paneer, any of the gravy curry. Today I prepared chicken curry with some raita. You can check out the chicken recipe from my channel, which is Telangana style chicken curry, for the recipe. So enjoy, friends. Thank you.